Okay. Osborne is gonna get his nails trimmed. A lot of people struggle. Ah! Like I struggle with this phone. Okay. Ozzy. Dang this thing. One day I will get a phone stand. Okay. Osborne. Osborne. Come on. Come on. You want a treat? Oh man, I got it in my hand. Ew, I hate it. So I always wear gloves, but I'm running out of gloves. Come on. Come on. Come on, boy. I'm gonna run out of film. Come on. Hurry. Fine. Brother. So if you struggle with nail trims, the key is having a treat. Rewarding good behavior. Just like people, just like cats. Huh? Yes, let's see. Oh my goodness. That's some Freddy Cougar claws. He's such a good boy. Let me see, homie. I always put my body against them and always talk to them, giving them positive. Ooh, you're such a good boy. Look at you. Look at this cutie. Always doing positive words of affirmation, I guess. Ah, you're such a good boy. Good boy. Look at you. Homie. So I like putting my body against them and kind of holding them with the side of my body because I don't have anybody to help me while I trim. Oh, cutie. But you're an awesome cat. Yes, you are. So it makes it even easier. Huh, cutie. Okay. He's good with his front paws. But when it comes to his back, he's not that great. Good job, cutie. Good job. You have to start them off really early. You don't want to start trimming their nails when they're older. You're such a good boy. He's cutie. Any opportunity you get, you want to trim it. You're a good boy. I'm holding the paw firmly so you don't mess up when they move. There's also a tip and advice. And also don't cut too short where the curve. If it's like curving, really curving, you know it's really long. So you want to cut the curve. You want to make sure when they're black, that's how you have to look at the nail. Don't go too above the curve. I don't cut them too short, so I'm often having to trim their nails. You're such a, look at this cutie. He's a good boy. Good boy. Yes, you are. Okay, let's see the thumb, homie. A ver. Alright, the most difficult ones are the ones in the back because that's how they, when they play with the other ones, they use the back ones for like self-defense kind of. I'm with you, and when you see them poking out, you know that they're too long because the back ones are not as retractable as the front ones. They have more ability with them. These, you see, that's his favorite one. So that's the last. His right back foot is the hardest one because that's the one he likes to scratch. Thank the Lord, I have not been bitten. Thank the Lord. Come on. This is the kind of maneuver I have to do with this homie for the back right one. Sometimes I have to sit down and do it. Come on, baby. I want to do a short video. I don't want a long video. Good boy. You're a good boy. Look at that. I can see them, homie. That's how I know they're long. I can see them. And you know that I know. We're going to get him, man. Come on. Are you a little baby? Are you a little baby that you don't let yourself? Sometimes that works when I tell them. You're a baby? You're a baby or you're a big cat? Are you a big cat or are you a little kitty cat, scary cat? Are you a scary cat? You're not a scary cat. So hurry up. Scary cat. You're a scary cat? Come on. Osby. I'm going to have to go this way. So I can have my body against him. So I have more. Yeah, we're not going to be able to finish. The storage is going to get full before I get you, homie. Last time I had to do this when I was sitting. I'm going to have to do that. Oh, my chair. Ozzy. All your feet were good. Come on. Alrighty. Let's go. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Chihuahua. I'm going to have to sit with him. Come on. You gotta be a baby about it? Yes. The answer is yes. You're a good boy, but you're such a baby when it comes to your... There. See how long this video... Oh my God, 8 minutes. Longest ever.